Welcome guys, today I'm going to do a review on Morgan's Cliff Villa in Boscobel, St. Mary. 15 minutes out of outer area. So okay, so we are driving in. Jesus God, look how the place look nice. I like how the place look. Look how bridge now up is steering. You know me can't drive though. It's a shame me can't drive. Boy, how that? And me that? Alright, me and my bodyguard are going in. Watch my foot them bend up. Me look good in a white still, you know. Jesus God. Watch ya now. Them two nice here for me and somebody daughter. Look up on the pool. Jesus. Watch your nice up me right there so. And me and me, oi. Go over the bridge and put them bend up still. Alright, here I go review the first room now. Why? Jesus Christ, the room look good. Big screen TV. I hope when the guy people in place to not take out them TV. Watch ya now. Bed look good. Jesus God, me I imagine something like that, but take your mind out. You have a little fridge in it, nice expensive fridge. Oh God, watch you now. Closet, hang up your clothes. You and the people in data clothes, alright. Nice spacious bathroom. Nice spacious bathroom. Watch ya. Oh, God only for space we do good things in there, so I like how you look. Nice toilet where your belly run can eat up over food. Nice. Watch you now back outside now. Whoa. You know something feel me love how this look. I really love how this look. Me nah go around you. Watch your room. Big, nice. Pan the bed, pan floor against wall. You can walk come out here Sunday night and you can have somebody daughter and you can have a drink. Sit down and do good things. Jesus. Some bridge in there, some bodyguard there. Right there, so my father, big up. Oh God, watch the view. Watch the view. Not normal view. Jesus God. How can you not like this place? Morgan's Cliff Villa in Boscobel, St. Mary. Near the Ian Fleming Airport. Like 15 minutes out of Outerius. Watch it now. Oh God, watch it. Jesus Christ. No, this me love the place, yeah. I love the place, yeah. It does give me a rich vibes. It does give me a rich vibe. Watch the pool now. Imagine that night you come down in that night there. You take a nice skinny dipping in that pool. You want somebody's daughter or you want somebody's son. Watch you now. Jesus, this is a nice little mini bar. Or you can play games. See, they have some nice comfortable seat over here. So you can play games with a friend them. See bar over there so you can put up your nice expensive liquor. Your NSC. Your VX, your champagne, alright. In a night now you can come down here again. You lay down and you can talk to talk to somebody's son or talk to somebody's daughter. Watch your view again. God Almighty. Watch your view. Jesus. Watch his sun set and watch his sun arise. Alright? Alright, now we're going inside now. Watch ya. This is the living room. Very spacious. Nice. Nice big screen TV. Nice settee. Nice chair. Okay. Watch your place. Jesus. Got the place clean and nice, man. Nice bedroom. Watch your bedroom them now. Oh God. Imagine when you're vexed with your partner now. Them sleep on one bed and you sleep on the other bed. You know, I get nothing tonight. Cover this so. Jesus Christ. Big TV. Nice. Watch your view again. Draw a curtain and look on the view. Oh God. Jesus God. No man, the place are nice. People, me I tell you no. The place are nice. What you know. You have a nice little closet. You can hang up your things them. Watch the bathroom. Shower lock. And good things are going in a shower. Ah. Jesus. Watch a nice bathroom. I love this. I not go around here. I love this. I love the ear. I like the villa here. I like it. It look rich. It give me a rich feelings. So upstairs right here now. We go upstairs right now. Go see how upstairs look. Make us see how upstairs look. Cause downstairs look nice. Nice and rich. Wow. Oh my days. Whoa. Look at this. Wow, nice put in your safe. If you have your gun. Or you're rich. You're nice Jew. Jesus. No, sir. Look at this. Oh, boy. Boy. This give me a... Oh, God. A Queen Elizabeth feelings. A Queen Elizabeth vibes. Watch this now. Watch this now. And the place look good. It look clean and nice. Watch the shower. You can set up nice shower and go out with things in the shower. And watch somebody else. And watch your... Oh, God. Watch the view now. Watch the view now. Go outside and look on the view. Imagine at night you're out here, so go out with yourself. You're going with yourself right out here, so look on the view. You wake up in the morning, you drink your tea, or you drink your champagne, or you drink your little rum, and you look on the view. This is rich. This is rich. God Almighty. God Almighty. This is the cliff view. This is the cliff view. I like it. Watch me. Watch me. I show up myself. No, I look good now. White still. No. I look good now. White still. I tell you, God Almighty truth. My foot them bend up. Oh, God, that's something they look. Look tree body, no? No tree body at all. Watch it. Oh, God, alright. I could go on my front right now. This is the front view. Yeah? I have a lot of room but run by the front. The place very clean and nice. You can come out here so you can enjoy yourself, you can play like a dandy shandy and all them things there. This is the restaurant now. The eating area. Nice. Nice. This is the bar. Nice. I love it. That is the kitchen over there. This is the pool. The pool run by the front view. Jesus Christ, the place nice and clean. The place nice and clean. May I tell you? Alright. Nice chair. Okay. Nice. 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 Jesus. Nice. Oh. Wow. Wow. That give me an idea. Alright, so we are leaving now there. So we are leaving there. Oh God, I'm going like me hype and I'm going like me rich so. I know I'm not rich. But I love the place, people. I love it. I love it.